Can you hear me, sir?
Yeah, now we can hear you. Sit back for a second, Jordan. Hold on.
Okay.
Jordan, you want to
Yes,
speak
sir.
with the in-house attorney today?
Could you repeat that again?
You want to speak with the in-house attorney today?
Yeah, I can speak with him. Yes.
All right, I'm going to put you in a breakout room. It's going to appear on your screen. You're going to hover your cursor over it or whatever you're on and enter that breakout room. When you're done, you're going to hover and leave that breakout room. Do you understand that?
Okay. Yeah.
That same goes for the attorney.
Okay.
Yes, Your Honor.
Jordan Davis is another, just like the last one on the agreement, Jeff. Double park.
Oh, thank you, Judge. Mr. Jordan and Mr. Davis, you and I will talk in just a second.
Yes, sir.
This gives us a chance to talk privately.
Okay.
Should we be joining the breakout room, Judge?
Jeff, it's going to come up. I promise you. I just had to create them.
Oh, well,
Yeah, it's asking me to join right now.
Go
just
ahead.
push that join. We're all set. You see him breakout? Well, I'm set too, Judge. Thank you.
Yep. Identified as Astro 4 Plus, no name, no audio. Are you there?
Hello,
Your name for
Yes.
the record.
Sequita Allen.
Laquita Allen. Okay. Good morning.
Good morning.
Al Hindman, the magistrate. Today's the date and time set for a pretrial with the Romulus prosecutor. You have several cases. You have some cases that are in what's called a show cause status. That's for you to show cause why you didn't take care of them in the first place. And you have a driving while license suspended with an offense date back in January of 2018. You're aware of that, correct?
Yes.
You want to speak with the in-house attorney?
Yes. Hello.
Right. Yeah,
I'm
hold
sorry.
on.
It glitched out. I couldn't.
Right. Hold on.
Okay.
Hold on.
Can you see me?
Nope, but that's all right.
Uh-uh.
I'm going to put you in a breakout room. You're going to hover whatever you're on, the cursor, mouse, whatever you're on, it's going to say enter breakout room. After you go in there, you're going to wait and an attorney will appear in there. You're going to speak with that attorney. And when you're done, you're going to hover over the same area and leave that breakout room. You understand me?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Okay. So do I go off now or?
No, you watch for it to appear and then you
Oh.
click to enter it.
Oh, there it is.
All right. No audio, Mr. Mumford. Can you hear me now? Mr. Mumford.
I'm sorry. Yes, I can hear you.
All right, sit tight for a minute.
Just give me 1 second. Hello, can you hear me now?
Yep, I hear you.
Yes, sir.
Sit tight for a minute.
Okay.
Okay.
Jordan Davis,
Yes,
I have
sir.
Ready, Your Honor?
room. Sit tight.
Yes, sir.
Jeff, I'm gonna send you to another breakout room to talk to another person, okay?
Mr. Davis is ready when you are, Your Honor.
Yeah, and I'm gonna send you to speak with another person.
Who is that person?
It's a Sakita Allen, and it's the same plea, DWLS to a double parking, but she has two outstanding show causes that I'm checking on to see if I can include them.
Is she on the docket, Your Honor? Allen?
Yep, Allen.
What time is she on the
Allen.
docket, you know?
At last of Allen, first of Shakita.
You know what time? Oh, she's 9:40. I got it. Second page. Let me know when you want me to talk to her, Judge.
It's gonna come up to go to 2, Jeff.
All right, thank you.
It's Jeff, you should click on it. It's in that other breakout room. I took you out of there into the number 2.
All right. I'm joining now.
Oh yeah, I'm still here. I don't know if wait, can you hear me?
Yep, Jordan Davis.
Yeah. Yes, Your Honor.
You met with the in-house attorney.
Yes, I did. Yep.
Wait, hold on a minute. It's just a bad morning.
Oh no, all right. Handle your take your time.
All right, let's try to get this going. Jeff
Okay.
Bowditch, the attorney for MIDC, Jordan Benjamin Davis.
Yes,
Your
sir.
Honor, for the record, Jeffrey Bowditch appearing on behalf of with Mr. Davis. Your Honor, today's date and time set for an arraignment and a pretrial. We would waive the formal reading, stand mute. As far as the pretrial, we have a plea agreement subject to court approval in which Mr. Davis wishes to take the mercy of the prosecutor and plea to an added count of double parking.
Mr. Davis, at the time of the stop, back on January 8th of this year, when you were pulled over in a Romulus, did you have a valid license?
No, I did not.
I'm going to accept your plea.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you so much.
Hold on. I've dismissed the original charge of driving while license suspended. You have civil infractions that they're going to dismiss. I'm going to amend the no proof of insurance to the double parking. Your fines and costs total $400. You can pay that in the next 5 days.
Yes, I can.
All right, hold on. You can pay within 5 days.
Yes.
You're paying that in person at the court's drop box, on the court's website, or by US mail.
I'll more likely just take it up there and drop it off.
Okay. And I've dismissed the stop sign.
Thank you, Your
Okay.
Honor.
Thank you so much.
That wraps up Mr. Davis.
Okay. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Mr. Davis.
All right. Thank you too.
Miss Allen is ready, Your Honor.
All right, she's not here.
Ooh. I hope she didn't. I told her to choose choice A, leave the breakout room, not the Zoom meeting. Miss Allen is really excited about the plea agreement.
Mr. Mumford, no audio.
I'm still here, Your Honor.
All right. I'm going to put you in you want to speak with the in-house attorney, Mr. Mumford?
Yes, I would.
All right. I'm going to put you in a breakout room. You're going to hover over whatever device you're on. It's going to say enter breakout room. You're going to go in there when the attorney appears. He won't be there right away, but he will show up. You're going to meet with the attorney. When you're done, you're going to hover to leave it. Okay.
Okay.
What time is Mr. Mumford scheduled, Judge?
I don't know. We have to ask him. I couldn't find him either.
Oh, he's 10:40, he's early.
Yeah.
Same thing with Mr. Mumford, Your Honor.
Yeah, Mr. Mumford,
Yes, Your Honor.
when you go into that breakout room, will you tell the person that's in there, a Shakita Allen, to click to leave it?
Okay.
All right, thank you.
Same deal with Mr. Mumford, Your Honor.
Yep. Jeff, I can't keep playing. We've been doing this too long. If they don't know, I tell every person, you hear my line. You click to enter it, and when you're done with the attorney, click to leave it. If she's not going to click to leave it, she'll be there for a while.
All right, Your Honor, but I did give her instructions. Should I go into breakout room?
No, but you can go in there and handle him while you're in there.
All right, what are we in, 2 or 1?
2.
All right.
Melissa McKinney. Melissa McKinney.
I'm sorry, this is Sequita Allen, Your Honor.
You just got in here. Your attorney's already been here and he'll be back. I'm going to put you in the waiting room. We'll wait for him to appear, okay?
Okay, sorry.
Melissa Williams. No audio. Melissa Williams, no audio. No audio, Miss Williams. Do whatever you got to do to get your audio. No audio. I'm going to put you back in the waiting room. I've got to keep moving. Wayne County Sheriff. Identified as Sheila. Your name for the record, no audio.
Okay.
Your name for the record.
Sheila Renee Pickett Spearman.
What is your last name? Pickett?
Pickett hyphen Spearman.
Okay. Good morning, Miss
Good morning.
Pickett Spearman. Al Hindman, the magistrate. Today's the date and time set for a pretrial with the Romulus prosecutor. He's reviewed your case. He's willing to dismiss the original charge of driving while license suspended and add the 0-point offense of double parking. Do you want to accept that?
Yes, Your Honor.
You're entering into this plea freely and voluntarily, correct?
Yes, I am.
You understand that entering into this plea, you're giving up your right to a trial before a judge and before a jury, correct?
Yes, I am.
At the time of the stop back on August 3rd of 2019, when you were pulled over, did you have a valid license?
No, I did not.
Your fines and costs total $400. You can pay that in the next 5 days, correct?
Yes, sir.
Pay it in the next 5 days in person at the court's drop box, by US mail, or on the court's website. How are you paying it?
I can do it. Oh, you say the drop box.
You have a drop box. They'll answer the door at the court if you show up there.
Oh, will they? Okay. Do I have to get a money order or what? What's accepted?
Either, anything, it doesn't matter.
Oh, okay. And online, I can just use my card.
Yep.
That might be easier.
Okay. All right.
Okay, I
you're all set. If you pay it online, pay it, reference the case number, okay?
Yes, sir. I surely
Right.
will. And that's just a total of 400,
Yep.
and everything will be paid and lifted.
Yep. And you'll be all set.
Okay, and then I can get my license back.
Yep.
Thank you so
You
much
have a
for
good
your
day.
time.
Yep.
Thank you. You have a good one also. Have a
Okay.
good one. Bye-bye.
Ms. Allen should be back, Your Honor.
Okay.
And Mr. Mumford is ready.
Okay.
All right. We're going to do, Miss Allen was before Mr. Mumford, correct?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Mumford, sit tight, okay?
Okay, I'm here.
I'm praying Miss Allen found her way. There she is.
Good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Miss Allen, Al Hindman, the magistrate. Today's the date and time set for a pretrial with Romulus. You've met with the attorney. He's going to put your appearance on the record.
Your Honor, for the record, Jeffrey Bowditch appearing on behalf of and with Miss Allen. Your Honor, we would, at the arraignment, we would waive formal reading and stand mute as far as the pretrial. Miss Allen wishes to take the mercy of the prosecutor and plead responsible to an added charge of double parking, with the understanding all her original charges would be dismissed.
Miss Allen, you agree with that, correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
Excuse me. I've dismissed the original charge of driving while license suspended. I've added the count of double parking. Your fines and costs total $400. For a factual basis, on the time of the stop on January 19th of 2018, when you were pulled over in Romulus, did you have a valid license?
No, Your Honor.
I'm accepting your plea. You can pay that in the next 5 days.
For not completely, Your Honor. I
All right.
can
So
pay
you
some.
have time to pay. How long do you need to pay?
About a month.
I'm going to turn you over to the collections department. They're going to contact you. They're going to contact you in a phone number that ends in 5834. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor, so much.
I'm on your other 2 civil infractions. I've dismissed them. I've
Thank you,
waived
Your
the
Honor.
costs. They're in show cause status. We'll just waive the fines and costs, and you're all set.
Thank you so much, Your Honor.
All right. You have a good day.
You too.
You talked to Melissa Williams, Jeff?
No, Your Honor.
All right, hold on. Mr. Mumford. Mr. Mumford, hold on 1 minute.
Okay.
Mr. Mumford, you met with the attorney, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Jeff, go ahead.
Your Honor, for the record, Jeffrey Bowditch appearing on behalf of with Mr. Mumford. Your Honor, as far as the arraignment, we would waive home reading, stand mute. As far as the pretrial, Your Honor, Mr. Mumford wishes to take the mercy of the prosecutor and plead responsible to an added count of double parking, with the understanding his original charge of driving while license suspended would be dismissed.
Mr. Mumford, you're in agreement with that, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
The time of the stop back on the 21st of January, 2018 in the city of Ramos, when you were pulled over, did you have a valid license?
No, Your Honor.
I'm accepting your plea. I've dismissed the original charge. I've added the no point civil infraction of double parking. Your fines have cost total $400. You can pay that in the next 5 days, correct?
Yes.
You can pay that in person at the court. You can pay that at the court's drop box. You can pay that on the court's website or by US mail. How you pay it.
I can come into the court.
Pay it in person in the next 5 days and you're all set.
Okay. And Your Honor, I had a quick question.
Uh,
I have a balance of $1,500 that I owe you guys.
You're making payments on it, correct?
I stopped making payments on it not too long ago. I'm not sure if my payment plan is still valid.
It is, but you need to call the court and get it all straight so it don't turn into a warrant status.
Okay.
All right,
And-
call them today. 941, you ready? Write this down.
Okay. Give me one second.
941 4463.
63.
Ask for collections.
Okay.
All right.
734.
Yep.
Okay. And one more question.
Yep.
Is it a way I can like pay something today and get my case closed out? Because I'm
As
trying to
in-
get my license back and get everything on track.
Call the court and they'll let you know.
Okay. Appreciate it.
All right. Ho, ho, ho.
I don't see Miss Williams on the docket, Your Honor. Maybe I'm missing that.
It's Melissa Hope Williams. I've given up on the docket, Jeff. I can't follow it. I have the file.
Do you know
Yeah.
what time? Oh, no, she's on at 9:30. I have it. It's on the docket, Judge.
She has a case, a show cause. It's a driving while license suspended case with a show cause, and it's the same plea as everyone else. I just have to find her. She seems to have disappeared. So we'll leave her hanging and we'll find her later.
All right.
Galaxy A01, you're not identifiable and no audio. Galaxy A1, second call, no audio, not identifiable. We can see you, but we can't hear you. How are you? No audio. I can see you trying to talk to us, but we cannot hear you.
Internet.
There you go.
There you go.
Okay, hi, how are you guys?
Good. Your name
Sorry,
for
this is my first time Zooming.
That's okay. Your name
You're
for
doing
the
good.
Thank you, Melissa Williams. But my
Okay.
that was the name my ticket's in, but my legal name's Melissa Hope McKenney.
Well, we're going with Melissa Williams.
Yes, sir. Yes, your magistrate.
Is this the same, Your Honor, as in the past?
Yep, it's the same.
All right.
All right. Miss Williams, watch your screen. It's going to come up for you to enter into a breakout room. You're going to hover over that and click enter. When you're done speaking with the attorney, you're going to hover over it and click to leave it, okay?
Okay.
You're doing good.
All right. Thank you. It's so nerve wracking.
No, don't be nervous. You're doing fine.
All right. Thank you.
When it tells you to
She's going
join, just hit join.
She's going to your number 2 breakout room.
All right, thank you, Judge.
You can click to enter it.
Yep.
Jason, good morning. McGockney, Jason McGockney. No audio. Jason McGockney, no audio.
No audio?
Good morning, I can hear you now. Al
Yes, sir.
Hindman, the magistrate. Today's the date and time set for a pretrial with the Romulus prosecutor. He's going to make you an offer on this case. Do you want to hear it?
Yes, sir.
He says that he'll dismiss the original charge of driving while license suspended. He'll add the count of 0-point offense of double parking, and he'll dismiss the impeding traffic ticket. Do you want to accept that plea?
Yes, sir.
Are you entering into this plea freely and voluntarily?
Yeah.
You understand that by entering into this plea that you're giving up your right to a trial before a judge and before a jury, correct?
Yes.
At the time of the stop back on January 9th of this year when you were pulled over, did you have a valid license?
No, sir.
I'm accepting your plea.
Thank you.
Fines and costs total $400. You can pay that in the next 5 days.
Yes.
You're paying that in person at the court's drop box on the court's website or by US mail.
The court's drop box.
Your cell number is what?
734-330-8934.
Pay it in the next 5 days and you're all set, okay?
All righty. Thank
You
you.
have a good day.
You as well.
Michaela Williams,
Yes, good morning.
how are you?
I'm good, and yourself?
I'm tired of being part of this historical event.
I can understand that.
Hey, I have a case before the court. Matter of fact, I have several. The prosecutor reviewed your file. You want to hear the offer?
Yes.
They go back to 2015. They go back in time.
Yes.
Are a failed to display a valid license and a driver's
Yes.
license suspended from October 2nd, 2015, and then a civil infraction for speeding. The prosecutor is willing to dismiss all of those charges, add the count of double parking in place of the driving while license suspended. You accept that plea? That's a
Yes.
0-point offense. It's a parking ticket in place of driving while license suspended. You're entering into this plea freely and voluntarily, correct?
Yes.
You understand that by entering into this plea, you're giving up your right to a trial before a judge and before a jury, correct?
Yes.
Correct?
Yes.
Okay. At the time of the stop on October 2nd, 2015, when you were pulled over, did you have a valid license?
I did not know I didn't, but I did not.
But you found out you didn't, correct?
Yes.
I'm accepting your plea. Your fines and costs total $400. You can pay that in the next 5 days, correct?
I can pay it today if you tell me how.
I'll tell you how. Hold on. You're going to go, you can pay it at the court, Wayne Road, south of 94. You can pay it in person. You can pay it at the court's drop box. You can pay it by US mail, or you can pay it online. How are you going to pay it?
I can come in.
All right, go to the court. Somebody will answer the door there, okay?
Okay.
You're all set.
Thank you so much. You have a great one. And please be safe.
You too.
Bye-bye.
Yep.
Miss Williams is ready, Your Honor.
All right, hold on.
It's so weird.
See, you made it.
Oh, yeah, I made it.
You're doing good. Judge will be with us in just a second.
Melissa
All right.
Williams.
Yes, sir.
Al Hindman, the magistrate. Today's the date and time set for a pretrial with the Romulus prosecutor. You have an in-house attorney. He's going to put his appearance on the record.
Your Honor, for the record, Jeffrey Bowditch, appearing on behalf of and with Miss Williams. Your Honor, today is the date and time for a pretrial in this matter. We're going to also an arraignment. We waive formal reading at the arraignment. As far as the pretrial, Your Honor, Miss Williams wishes to take the mercy of the prosecutor and plead responsible to an added count of double parking, with the understanding her two original citations from looks like 2016 would be dismissed.
Miss Williams, at the time of the stop back on the 9th of January, way back in 2016, when you were pulled over, did you have a valid license?
No.
I'm going to accept your plea. I've
Thank
dismissed
you, Your Honor.
the charge. I've added the 0-point civil infraction of double parking. Your fines and costs total $400. You can pay that in the next 5 days.
I'm on a fixed income, so can I have until the 3rd? And I'll have it paid in full.
Pay by 4/3/21. How's that?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Your cell
Thank you,
number
Judge.
is 7068, correct?
Pardon me?
Your phone number ends in 7068.
No, that was a long time ago.
All right, hold on. We got to update it.
Okay.
Go ahead.
248-636-6491.
You have a good day.
Yes, thank you. You too. Thank you.
No audio identified as IP 201224. No audio. Ivan Sanders, no audio.
Yes, I'm here.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Ivan Hindman, the magistrate. Today's the date and time set for a pretrial. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with the in-house
Yeah.
attorney.
Okay.
Any offer, Judge? Offer, Judge?
Hello?
Mr. Sanders,
Yes.
we're not in the breakout room yet, Mr. Sanders. Judge, any offer on Mr. Sanders? You're muted, Judge.
So everything that I just said, nobody heard. I never clicked mute. Mr. Sanders, you can hear me, correct?
Yes, I can hear you.
Al Hindman, the magistrate. Today's the date and time set for a pretrial on several cases. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with the MIDC attorney. You're going to hover and click to enter that breakout room. When you're done speaking with the attorney, you're going to hover and click on it to leave it, okay?
Okay.
Any offer, Judge?
Hold on.
All right.
Click to enter that room, Mr. Sanders. Jeff, it's double parking on the original charge of driving while license suspended. He has two DWLSs, a speeding and a registration or plate violation, and the fines and costs will total $800.
But he's pleading it all down to one double parking for $800.
Yep.
All right, thanks, Judge. I'll join that breakout room.
Michael Sherman. Michael Sherman. No audio. Michael Sherman, second call, no audio. Mohammed Gold. Mohammed Gold. No audio. Mohammed Gold. No audio. Jacqueline. Jacqueline, no audio. Jacqueline, no audio. No audio, no video, Jacqueline. Third attempt, IP 201-224, no audio, no video. Can you hear me now?
Yes, I can.
Your name for the record.
Sierra Kemp Portis. Can you hear me?
Yep. First, what is your first name?
Sierra, C-I-C-I-A-R-A.
C-I.
A-R-A.
Last name.
Kemp Portis, K-E-M-P hyphen P-O-R-T-I-S. Ortis.
Sierra L. Hindman, the magistrate. Today's the date and time set for a pretrial with the Romulus prosecutor. He's reviewed your file. He's willing to dismiss the original charge of driving while license suspended and the speeding ticket. He's going to add the 0-point offense of double parking. You want to accept that plea?
Yes.
You're entering into that plea freely and voluntarily, correct?
Yes.
You understand entering into that plea, you're giving up your right to a trial before a judge and before a jury, correct? Correct?
Yes.
So-
My phone keep cutting in and out. Like
Right.
people
Oh, that's
entering the
right.
room or something.
At the time of the stop on January 18th of 2021, when you were pulled over in the city of Romulus, did you have a valid license?
No.
I'm accepting your plea. Your fines and costs are going to total $400. You can pay
Okay.
that in the next 5 days.
Yes, I can.
You can pay it in person at the court. You can pay it at the court's drop box. You can pay it online, or you can pay it by US mail. How are you paying it?
If I could come down there, then that's perfect. I can come down there and pay it.
Go ahead and show up at the court. They'll open the door for you.
Okay.
You're all set.
Oh, wow. Okay. Thank
right.
you. Have a good day.
Yep.
Making a lot of friends today, Your Honor.
I wish all the other prosecutors followed his format. Ivan Sanders, Jeff, go ahead.
Your Honor, for the record, Jeffrey Bowditch, appearing on behalf of and with Mr. Sanders. For the arraignment purposes, Your Honor, we would waive formal reading, stand mute. As far as the pretrial, Mr. Sanders wishes joyously to take the mercy of the prosecutor and plead responsible to an added count of double parking, knowing the fine, with the understanding that all 4 original charges would be dismissed.
Mr. Sanders, at the time of the stop back in 2018 when you were pulled over, did you have a valid license?
No, I didn't.
I'm going to dismiss the registration violation. I'm going to dismiss the driving while license suspended that ends in case number R18-2830. Driving while license suspended that has a case number of R. Robert 162968. The offense date goes back to June 28, 2016. At the time of the stop, Mr. Sanders, did you have a valid license?
No, I did not.
I'm going to accept your plea. I'm going to dismiss the original charge. I'm going to add the count of double parking. Your fines and costs total $800. You can pay that in the next 5 days.
No, Your Honor, I won't be able
You need
to.
time to pay, correct?
Yes.
Your phone number ends in 4835.
Yes, it does.
Pay close attention to it. The court's going to call you and set up a payment plan, okay?
All right.
That wraps up Mr. Sanders.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay.
Thank you.
Had to wait for the meeting to start. Ho, ho, ho. We're going to try this guy again. Gold. Mohammed Gold. Mohammed Gold, third attempt. No audio, no video. Mohammed Gold. No audio, no video. Mohammed Gold, third call. Removed. Big tone iPhone, no audio. Good morning.
Morning.
Your name.
Sorry about that earlier.
All right, your name for the record.
I'm sorry about that. It's Martonio Lawler.
I can't hear your last name.
Martonio Lawler.
Still can't understand it.
I'm sorry.
Last name.
Lawler. L-A-W.
Lawler, okay. Martonio Lawler, Al Hindman, the magistrate. Today's the date and time set for a pretrial with the Romulus prosecutor. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with the in-house attorney. They're going to speak with you, a reference, a driving while license suspended, and a registration or plate violation. Jeff, it's the same original plea from this morning.
Okay.
Breakout room's going to appear. You're going to hover over it. You're going to enter that breakout room, Mr. Lawler. When you're done speaking with the attorney, you're going to hover and click to leave it. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I'm here.
Mr. Lawler, can you hear me and see me?
Yes, I can.
Yeah. Mr. Lawler, my name is Jeff.
Jeff, you're not in the breakout room.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'll be with you in just a second, Mr. Lawler. Sorry, Judge.
All right. Jacqueline, no audio. Jacqueline, no audio, no video. This is the third call. Jacqueline, no audio, no video. Wayne County Sheriff. Mohammed Gold, fourth attempt, no audio, no video. Mohammed Gold, fourth attempt, no audio, no video.
Oh, got it, right.
You hear me now?
Yeah.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Al Hindman, the magistrate. Today's the date and time set for a pretrial with the Romulus prosecutor. Your name for the record.
Mohammed Gold.
Mr. Gold, the prosecutor reviewed your file. They're willing to make you the offer of dismissing the original charge of driving while license suspended, They're going to add the no point civil infraction of double parking in place of that charge, and they're going to dismiss the speeding ticket. You willing to accept that?
Yes.
You're entering into this plea freely and voluntarily, correct?
Yes.
At the time of the stop back on the 11th of December of 2020, when you were pulled over, did you have a valid license?
I did not.
You had a valid license. What do you mean you did not?
I was suspended.
You had a license, but it was valid.
Who do you have speaking in the background, Mr. Gould?
My mother.
Mom, he'll be
Yeah.
fine.
I'm sorry?
He'll be fine.
Oh, okay.
Mr. Gould, I've dismissed the original charge, the misdemeanor. I've dismissed it. I've added the 0 point offense of double parking.
That's fine.
It's going to be $400. You can pay it in the next 5 days, correct?
Okay,
Yes.
right now.
Well, what's it going to be?
You'll pay it right now.
Yeah, I'll pay now.
All right, you can pay it in person at the court. You might as well just come on down to the courthouse, Wayne Road, south of I-94. You can pay it in person at the court's drop box, by US mail, or online.
That's fine.
Okay, thank you.
Why does it still say woohoo now?
Pay it at the court in the next, and bring your ticket with you.
Okay,
You're all set.
thank you.
Wait. Ask him, can you still drive right now?
When he pays it, yeah, you can still drive.
All right, thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Have a great day.
You too. Jeff, go ahead.
Your Honor, we are ready on Mr. Lawler. Your Honor, for the record, Jeffrey Bowditch appearing on behalf of and with Mr. Lawler. Your Honor, today's the date and time set for arraignment in this matter. We waive formal reading, stand mute. We've also had a chance to pre-try this case, Your Honor. Mr. Lawler wishes to take the mercy of the prosecutor and plead responsible to an added count of double parking.
Mr. Lawler, at the time of the stop back on December 5th, 2020, when you were pulled over, did you have a valid license?
No, sir.
I'll accept your plea. I'll amend the original charge to double parking.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Your fines and costs total $400. You can pay that in the next 5 days.
No, sir.
Pay it with the collections department. They're going to contact you. Your phone number ends in 4944.
Yes, sir.
Pay close attention to your phone. They're going to call you and set up a payment plan. I've just registration or plate violation per the plea.
Okay.
You're all set.
Okay, thanks a lot.
Yep.
Good morning, Your Honor.
How are you?
I'm doing good. How you been?
You're here for what?
It looks like a DWLS. Part of my subpoena was cut off, but it looks like it might be last name of AHOUL, or at least I have HOUL. It's Mohammed is his first name.
Yeah, he's already pled it out per the prosecutor. They gave him a double parking of $400.
Very good. Sounds
You're
good,
happy?
sir.
All right. You
Thank you. Have a good day.
Yep. Jacqueline, good morning.
Good morning, it's Fidel. To regard to
I need your full name. You're identified as Jacqueline on my screen.
okay, yeah, Fidel to Rubiartes.
I can't hear you.
Fidel to Rubiartes.
Spell your last name.
TURRUBIARTS.
Fidel L. Hindman, the magistrate, with the in-house attorney, Jeff Bowditch. You have a driving while license suspended in
Yes.
hand. You're going to go into a breakout room with the attorney. You're going to hover over whatever device you have, click to enter that breakout room. You're going to speak with the attorney. Then you're going to hover over whatever device you're on and click to leave it, to come back to this meeting. Jeff, it's DWLS to double parking.
Thank you, Judge.
Click to enter the breakout room. Jeffrey, go ahead.
Your Honor, for the record, Jeffrey Bowditch appearing on behalf of with Mr. Turbiartis. Your Honor, today is the date and time, except for arraignment, we would waive formal reading and stand mute. We've also had a chance to pre-try this case, Your Honor. At this time, we'd like to take the mercy of the prosecutor and plead responsible to the added count of double parking.
Mr. Turbiadis, at the time of the stop on December 29th, 2015 in the city of Romulus, when you were pulled over, did you have a valid license?
No, sir, it was suspended.
I'm going to accept your plea. I'm dismissing the original charge of driving while license suspended, enhanced, and reducing that to a 0-point civil infraction of double parking. Your
Thank you, Your
fine
Honor.
costs total $400. You can pay that in the next 5 days?
No, sir.
Your phone number ends in 2345, correct?
Yes.
Pay close attention to that cell number. The collections department's going to contact you to set up a payment plan.
Okay, sounds good. Thank you.
You're all set.
All right, thank you very much. You guys have a great one.
Hello?
Good morning.
Hi.
Savannah.
Yes.
Now Hindman, the magistrate. Today's the date and time set for a pretrial with the Romulus prosecutor. You have a driving while license suspended that occurred back in 2019. Do we agree?
Yes.
The prosecutor, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with the in-house attorney. You're going to speak with him, okay?
Okay.
What's the young lady's name, Your Honor?
It's Savannah Wilson. It's the same
Thank you, sir.
reduced. Savannah, hover your device. You'll see a breakout room. You're going to click to enter it. When you're done speaking with the attorney again, you're going to hover whatever you're using to click to leave it to come back here, okay?
Oh, I guess I see that. It's
You
like
will
at the
in a
top of
second.
my screen.
You will in a minute.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
Mr. McClory, Al Hindman, the magistrate.
Yes. How are you?
Well, I'm tired of being part of this historical event, but other than that, you have a case before the court. I'm finding it. Holds tight. Juan, correct?
Yes.
The prosecutor reviewed your file. He's willing to dismiss the original charge of driving while license suspended and add the 0-point civil infraction of double parking. Do you agree to that?
Yes.
You're entering into this plea freely and voluntarily, correct?
Yes.
You understand that by entering into this plea, you're giving up your right to a trial before a judge and before a jury, correct?
And that is because he's dismissing it, right?
And that he's reducing it to a 0-point offense.
Oh, yes. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you guys could see it already, but yeah, I paid everything else I owe with Rummus.
At the time of the stop on November 11th of 2020, when you were pulled over in the city of Romulus, did you have a valid license?
No, my license became suspended that day. The officer searched it and it was suspended that day. The day I
accept your plea. Your fines and costs total $400. You can pay that in the next 5 days.
You said the next 5 to 7 days?
How much time do you need?
Today is the 22nd. Can I get 2 weeks, please?
14 days from today, okay?
Okay.
You can pay that in person at the court. You can pay it on the court's Dropbox. You can pay it on the court's website or by U.S. mail. How are you paying it?
Probably the Dropbox.
All right, pay it at the Dropbox, $400 the next 14 days. You're all set. I've dismissed the original charge.
All right, thank you, sir. Have a great day.
You have a good day.
All right.
Jeffrey, go ahead.
Your Honor, for the record, Jeffrey Bowditch appearing on behalf of and with Miss Savannah Wilson. Your Honor, today's the date time set for arraignment in this matter. We waive formal reading, stand mute. We've also had a chance to pre-try this case, Your Honor. Miss Wilson wishes to plead responsible to the charge of double parking with the understanding her original charges would be dismissed.
Miss Wilson, at the time of the stop on September 17th of 2019, when you were pulled over in the city of Romulus, did you have a valid license?
No.
I'm going to accept your plea. I've dismissed the original charge of driving while license suspended and enhanced. I've added the 0-point civil infraction. I've amended it to double parking. Your fines and costs total $400. You can pay that in the next 5 days.
Yeah.
You can pay that in person at the court's Dropbox, by U.S. mail, or on the court's website. How are you paying it?
I guess in person.
Pay it at the court in the next 5 days and you'll be all set.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Can I help you?
You're muted, Judge.
Maurice Jordan, no audio. Good morning. Maurice Jordan. No audio, no video. Maurice Jordan, no audio, no video. No audio, Mr. Jordan. Work on your audio.
Okay.
Morning.
Morning.
Al Hindman, the magistrate. Today's the date and time set for a pretrial with the Romulus prosecutor. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with the MIDC attorney. You're going to hover your device to enter that breakout room. You're going to speak with the attorney, and when you're done, you're going to hover to leave and come back to this room. Do you understand that?
Yes.
You're all set. Your name for the record, no audio.
Oh, can you hear me?
Yeah, your name for the record.
Cooper Prescott.
Blasta Prescott.
Yeah, last name is Prescott, and that's Przekop. And then also, should I have my video on?
Yep, if you can. Mr. Prescott, Al Hindman, the magistrate. Today's the date and time set for a pretrial. You have two cases: an impeding traffic and expired license plate that occurred in the city of Romulus. The prosecutors reviewed these files. He's willing to dismiss the original charge of expired license and the impeding traffic, add the 0-point offense of double parking. Are you willing to accept that, please?
Yes, I am willing to accept.
You're accepting it freely and voluntarily, correct?
Yes.
You're giving up your right to a trial before a jury, accepting this plea. You understand that?
Yes.
At the time of the stop on January 9th, 2021, when you were pulled over, Did you have a valid license?
Or
correction, did you have a valid plate? I'm sorry.
Yes.
Your plate was valid?
My license plate?
I'm sorry. I seen you. Did you have a valid driver's license?
So tough question to answer because technically the license plate was expired, but with the COVID in place.
Not in January of 2021. I would agree with you in the year 2020, but there was accommodations changed around for, well, hold on a minute. You know what, Mr. Hold on. You know what? I'm gonna be with you on this one.
Thank you. I appreciate that, sir.
I'm gonna absolutely give it to you. Jeffrey.
Yes, sir.
Give me a minute.
Yes, sir. I'm patient while you're dispensing mercy.
I'm going to dismiss your expired license plate because of the current event that we got going on. We're down to your impeding traffic. Pay $180 and it's all set.
No points, no
Yeah.
nothing.
No points, no nothing.
And that's so, okay, no points, no nothing.
Hold
just
on,
the
I'm going
charge.
to do it one better to make sure. Hold on. You're all set, all right? Pay it in the next 5 days.
Will do. Thank you, sir. I
You're
appreciate
going to
that.
pay it in person at the court's drop box by US mail or on the court's website.
Okay. Oh, so I can pay it on the website.
Yep. Pay reference
Okay.
the ticket number that ends in 114A.
114A. Perfect. Thank you, sir. I appreciate that.
Jeff, go ahead.
Your Honor, for the record, Jeffrey Bowditch appearing on behalf of and with Mr. Jordan. Your Honor, today's date time set for arraignment. Waive formal reading and stand mute. We also pre-tried this case, Your Honor, and I believe it's the same. I didn't confirm this with the prosecutor, but I believe it's the same agreement. If I'm correct, Mr. Jordan wishes to avail himself of that agreement and plead to responsible to an added count of double parking with the understanding all his original charges would be dismissed.
All right. Mr. Jordan, at the time of the stop on January 20th of 2021, when you were pulled over in Romulus, did you have a valid license?
No.
I'm dismissing your original charge.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Well,
Thank you, Your Honor.
per the plea, I'm going to dismiss the following two close. I'm going to amend for our paperwork purposes, the no proof of insurance to a double parking. Your fines and costs total $400. You can pay that in the next 5 days, correct?
I can pay it by the 3rd of April.
So pay in the next 14 days.
Okay.
Is that good?
Yes.
You can pay it in person at the court's drop box by US mail or on the court's website. How are you paying it?
Okay, I'll pay, I'll go to the courthouse.
What's your cell number?
Dropbox. 734-261-2798.
All right, pay it in the next 14 days and you're all set, okay?
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
You have a good day.
Thank you, Mr. Jordan.
Thanks a lot. Good day.
Mr. Gump, you're back?
Sorry, I didn't know if I was done and it kicked me out. I didn't know.
Yeah,
if that
you're
was...
all set. You're just gonna
Oh,
pay
okay.
that $180 in the next 5 days and you're all set.
Okay, I apologize for that. Thank you, sir. Have a good one.
Yep. We're officially gonna take a break here.
All right, Your Honor.
Okay. Maurice Jordan, did you talk to that person?
Yeah, we just did. That was Mr. Jordan. We just finished.
All right. Taking a break.
All right, Judge.
Kel Simon, no audio.
Can you hear me now?
Yep, your name for the record?
My name is Caleb Simon. I'm an attorney and I'm representing a defendant by the name of Michael Bartel.
One more time on his last name.
Bartel, B-A-R-T-E-L.
Michael, correct?
Correct.
Al Hindman, the magistrate. Today's the date and time set for a pretrial with the Ron Mills prosecutor. Is your client going to be present?
I'm not sure, but basically you made a deal and I've signed the papers and the client signed the papers and we sent it back and forth to the prosecutor. I don't know if he wants us or not.
You can accept the plea on behalf of your client?
Yes.
This is a violation of a license restriction with a offense date back on July 6th of 2020 in the city of Romulus, along with a impeding traffic. The prosecutors made the offer of dismissing all that, adding the count of double parking in place of the
yes, correct.
License restrictions. And again, your appearance for the record one more time.
Caleb Simon, P20493.
Okay, Mr. Simon, I'm going to dismiss the original charge, violation of license restrictions. I'm going to dismiss the impeding traffic, add the count of double parking, the fines and costs total $400. That can be paid in the next 10 days.
Thank you.
You're good with that, correct?
I'm good with that. 10 days he's got?
Yep.
Thank you. It's $400 is the total,
Yep.
I think.
You're all set.
Thank you very much.
Oh. Brittany Hamilton. Brittany Hamilton. No audio. Good morning.
Morning.
Your name for the record.
Brittany Hamilton.
Give me 1 minute. What are you here for today?
I received a letter in the mail saying to report to Alan Hindman for 15 minutes prior. That's about it.
Your last name is Hamilton with an H, correct?
Yes.
I don't think she's on the docket, Your Honor.
No. It was scheduled for today, Miss Hamilton?
Yes, it was scheduled for today. It says remote appointment Monday, 3/22nd, 21st, 10:50 a.m. I also received another letter from you guys to do, but it was to deal with Judge Lisa, and that's not till the 5th, but I didn't know if I just wanted to make sure that
What I want you to do, you have a pen handy?
Yeah.
734 941
901.
4463. Call and ask to speak with the clerk and find out when they might have moved your court date to Judge Martin, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're all set.
All right.
No audio, trying to connect. Amos Foster, no audio. Same plea, Jeff. Amos Foster, no audio. Amos Foster, no audio, no video. Amos Foster, no audio. Good morning.
Good morning, Al. How are you?
I'm looking out the window. It's a lot sunnier out there than it is in here.
I heard it's going to be
Now
great
that you
outside
popped in.
today.
What's that?
I said, I heard it's going to be great outside today.
What's shaking?
I have 2 carryover pre-trials. I'm going to need Josh on them. I think one may be a dismissal. I'm pulling the names right now. They are Yusuf Dajani and Bernard Snell.
One's with a D, right?
Yes, Dajani.
Gotcha. And what's the other one?
Bernard Snell, Snell. They're at 11:20, so they may not be on yet, but I do expect both clients on Zoom.
Okay. Josh Kaplan.
Hello, Your Honor.
Hey, I got Leanna here. She wants to talk to you about Snell and Dajani. I'm going to move you in a breakout room, okay?
Okay.
Amos Foster, Al Hindman, the magistrate. No audio.
Hello?
Sir, just wait a second. The court is handling another matter and we'll be back
Okay.
on with you, okay?
Yes, ma'am. I just thought I couldn't. Okay, okay.
Yep, just wait. You're okay. Everyone's
Yes, ma'am.
muted.
Okay.
Ho, ho, ho. I only have, your clients aren't here yet. Amos Foster is a lost soul that for some reason,
He's connected now, Al.
is he connected?
Yes.
Amos Foster.
Yes, sir.
Al Hindman, the magistrate. Today's the date and time set for a pretrial. I'm going to put you in a breakout room at the MIDC attorney. You're going to cover your device, whatever you're using, and click to enter the breakout room. When you're done speaking with the attorney, you're going to click to leave it, okay?
Okay.
To come
Same,
back.
same. Same, Your Honor.
Yep.
Al, I believe Snell is going to be a dismissal. That's what Mr. Kaplan said. I don't know if we can do it without him on.
What more could you ask for?
I know. He's giving me everything I could ever need.
She voted me into it.
I wish Josh would put on a seminar for the other prosecutors.
I've talked to them. They won't agree.
For this double parking thing.
You know, you taught me a long time ago the phrase is, this is not the hill to die on.
Absolutely. And they won't do the double parking thing. I don't get it.
The police department love it. I mean, we're just moving on.
Right. So we're dismissing both?
Both for Mr. Bernard Snell. Yeah, just for the record, Miss Belcher, excuse me, has presented evidence that it was not him behind the wheel. I happen to believe that evidence, that it was a younger male than his age, and so we're going to dismiss that case.
Correct, and no objection from defense.
And re-abstract, correct?
Yeah.
All right, done.
Thank you.
Hey, Josh, the reason why I needed your pleas is I'm turning these into electronic files as a test.
Gotcha. Yeah, if you want me to, when I send it to Heather, I'll send them the pleas to you too.
Yeah, do that. Just add me in there.
Yeah, no problem.
All right, these are dismissed.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're just waiting on your other person, right?
Yes, sir.
Good. Josh, I'll ship you back and we'll come get you if we need you.
All right, sounds good.
Jermaine Henson. No audio. Good morning.
Good morning.
Mr. Henson, Al Hindman, the magistrate. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial with the Romulus prosecutor.
I recently sold a car to a friend, and he got pulled over in the car. And I honestly know Officer Eric Smith personally. He didn't give the ticket to me, but I understand that the car was in my name, so the ticket was in my name. So I can hopefully I can get the case dismissed, or I can just see what I can do about it, because I
You're
didn't get
saying the guy that got pulled over, this wasn't
It wasn't me. Yeah, it wasn't me. It wasn't me. I know Officer Eric Smith personally.
Is he the sergeant now at Romulus, right?
Officer Eric Smith? No, he's the dark-skinned short guy.
Hold on.
Dark skin, short, Officer Eric Smith. And he got pulled over in the Charger that I sold him. All black.
I just sent a message. Sit tight. I'm going to put you in the waiting room for a minute. I'm going to see what we can.
Oh yeah, and one more thing. I haven't even left the house in 3-4 months. So the ticket, today is my first day even leaving the house. So.
All right. Sit tight. Let me see what I can do for you.
Okay, yes, sir.
Hey, Jeff.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it okay if I give you a call on my other one in case he isn't timely? I have a hearing that I have to start soon in another
Oh,
court.
absolutely, hon. Absolutely.
Okay, I'll call you.
Okay, thank you. Hello.
Tanya.
Why can't I see?
Good morning.
Hi.
Your name for the record.
Hi. Good morning.
Your name for the record.
Tayana Poe.
Your last name is what?
Tayana Poe.
Can't hear your last name.
Poe. P-O-E.
P-O-E. Okay. Tiana Al Hindman, the magistrate. Today's the date and time set for a pretrial with the city of Romulus. You have a driving while license suspended that
Yes.
occurred back on January 25th this year. The prosecutor reviewed it. They're willing to make you an offer. You want to hear the offer? Can you hear me? Ms. Cole, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
The prosecutor is willing to dismiss the original charge, add the civil infraction of no points, double parking. You want to accept that?
Hello.
Ms. Poe, I'm going to try it one more time. The offer on the table from the prosecutors to dismiss the original charge of driving while license suspended, add the 0-point offense of double parking. You want to accept that?
Yes.
The fines and costs are $400. You can pay that in the next 5 days.
Yes, I can. Yes, I cannot pay that today.
You can pay in the next 5 days, correct?
Yes.
Pay it in person at the court's drop box by US mail or by the court's website. How you pay it? How are you going to pay it?
The court's website.
Pay it, reference the ticket number. You're all set. Your cell number, what is it?
313-805-8592.
You're all set. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Jeff, go ahead.
Your Honor, I don't think I have anything right now. Oh, yeah, I do. Mr. Who was the last gentleman I talked?
Foster.
That's right, Amos Foster. Your
ahead.
Honor, for the record, Jeffrey Bowditch appearing on behalf of and with Mr. Foster. Your Honor, today is the date and time set for arraignment. Waive formal reading, stand mute. I've also had a chance to pre-try this case, Your Honor. Mr. Foster would be wishing to plead responsible to the added count of double parking with the understanding his original charges would be dismissed.
Mr. Foster, I've dismissed the original charge. I've added the count of double parking.
Yes, sir. Thank you, Your Honor.
Factual basis, at the time of the stop on the 13th of January this year in the city of Romulus, when you were pulled over, did you have a valid license?
I was out. It was coming. I had my license was coming. I had it. Yes, I ain't have it on me, but they was coming through the mail.
Okay.
I do have them now, Your Honor.
Well, this was just an expired license, Jeff. Do we agree?
Yeah, just an expired license, Your Honor.
Well, your fines and costs are $200.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You can pay that in the next 5 days?
Yes, I can. I work. Yes, I can, Your Honor.
Pay it within the next 5 days, in person at the court's drop box, by US mail, or by the court's website. How are you paying it?
I'm gonna try to pay by the website.
What is your cell number?
Cell number is 734-299-6929.
You're all set. Pay that in the next 5 days and you'll be all set.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much.
You have a good day.
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor. Your Honor, I believe Miss Belcher may have to leave here in just a moment. There's a Mr. Dejani who may appear. I'm going to handle that for Miss Belcher.
All right. Well, he's a lost soul so far.
I have his phone number, Your Honor, if we need to call him.
Okay. Jermaine Henson.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hold on.
Okay.
I'm going to dismiss your case. You're all set.
Okay, thank you, boss. Do I need to come down to the court or no?
No.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank
Go
you,
ahead
sir.
and leave. You're all set. Jeff, he's here. He's just coming in. Mr. Dejani, no audio. Joseph Dejani, no audio. Last of Snell, S-N-E-L-L, no audio.
I think Miss Belcher said Mr. Snell was handled.
I know, but he wasn't here.
Oh. Do we have a case number? Oh, put it on to Johnny on there.
Mr. Snell. No audio, Mr. Snell. Mr. Snell, if you can hear me, your case has been dismissed. Your case has been dismissed. You're all set, Mr. Snell.
Hello?
Joseph Dejani?
Yes, Your Honor.
A breakout room is going to appear on your screen. You're going to hover over it, click to enter it. You're going to speak with the attorney. When you're done, you're going to click to leave it, okay?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Snell, no audio. Can you hear me, Mr. Snell? Can you hear me, Mr. Snell? If you can hear me, your case has been dismissed. No audio, Mr. Snell. Dwayne Haig. Dwayne Haig, no audio. How'd that go? Dwayne Haig, no audio.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Sorry about that. I moved for 2 seconds and you popped on.
That's how that goes. That's how when I'm getting my coffee at Tim Hortons and the line's not moving, I just pick my phone up.
Yes, sir. How are you doing, Your Honor?
Well, I'm tired of being part of this historic event.
Yeah.
You're Dwayne Haig, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Haig, you got a case. It's a driving while license suspended that occurred back in 2018.
Yes, Your Honor. Your Honor.
Yep.
I was in prison for 28 months. I also had 2 other tickets with you guys. I wrote a letter to the court asking for some relief. You guys gave me plea by mails for 2 of the cases and dropped them. I paid the reinstatement fees. I've paid all my reinstatement fees for everything. All I need to do is finish this up and I can go get my license. I owe $80,000 to 5 different counties for restitution.
As long as you owe them, they'll never go broke, right?
Right. Any relief you could give me would be so grateful. I'd be so grateful. What's that?
Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to dismiss the original charge of driving while license suspended. I'm going to add the count of a 0-point offense of double parking.
Okay.
The prosecutor wants $400 in fines and costs, but what I'm going to do on that, hold on. They gave me a brand new stamp. It says waive and close. I'm going to waive the fines and cost.
Thank you.
For credit for time served.
Your Honor, if there's anything I can do for your court, like come sweep a parking lot, I would be more than happy to do it. Thank you so much.
We're happy. So I just waived the fines and costs, reduced it to a civil infraction, double parking. I'll make sure they re-abstract it.
Thank you so much, Your Honor. So can I go online right now and pay? I'm sure I have to pay another $45 to you guys to get the for that too.
Yeah, it's very good you brought that up because that's hidden in here. Defendant to pay FAC. $45. You got a pen handy?
I do, Your Honor.
18-1974.
18-1974.
Yep, that's your case number. So when you go online to pay that $45.
Your Honor, thank you so much.
No problem. Now what about these other cases at our court? Did they take care of them?
Yes, and I paid the reinstatement fees already.
All right, so you're happy. All right, have a good day.
You too, Your Honor. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Snell, B. Snell, no audio. Mr. Snell, if you can hear me, your case has been dismissed. Oh, let me see.
I can hear you.
How are you?
How you doing?
Good. Hey, I'm making your day. They dismissed it.
Okay. All
You're
right.
all set.
Okay. Thank you.
You have a good day.
You too. Figure out how to get out of this thing.
Here, I'll get you out of here.
Okay.
Have a good day. Give me 1 minute, Jeff. Hello, is this Adrienne Andrews? Jeff, go ahead.
Your Honor, I'm appearing on behalf of Miss Belcher with Mr. Dejani. Mr. Dejani, are you there?
Yes, I am.
Do you have any objections to me appearing in place of Miss Belcher for today's proceedings alone?
Not at all, Mr. Jeffrey, not at all.
All right, thank you. Your Honor, in this case, there was a traffic accident and there was an incident. Mr. Dejani at the scene was cited as the driver. And there were reasons for him being cited as the driver, but he was not the driver. Even the police don't believe he was the driver. But there was a point in time when he was under duress because of the driver that he was uncomfortable saying anything else other than what he was told to say. Since then, situations have changed, and I think Mr. Kaplan wished that the real driver come forward, or at least be provided the name. Mr. Dejani is willing at this time to do this. I would like to, at this time, adjourn this matter, hook him back up with Miss Belcher so they can accommodate this and find out what Mr. Kaplan wishes.
I'll adjourn it 3 weeks. That's what you want, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor. We're going to adjourn it 3 weeks.
Yep.
Would it be on a Monday, exactly 3 weeks?
I got nothing to do with that stuff.
All right, but a 3-week adjournment.
All right. And you're on a payment plan, Mr. Bajani, on some other cases, correct?
Payment plan?
Yep.
I don't recall. Could you reiterate that for me, please?
You're on a payment plan for a boating and something in a.
Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's true.
Payment due 4/12.
All right. Thank you so much.
You're all set.
Mr. Dejani, get in contact with Miss Belcher.
Okay, I will definitely. I have her number. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
iPhone, no audio. iPhone, identify yourself for the record.
Can you hear me?
Yep.
Okay, I'm Alexis Sanford.
All right, hold on a minute, okay?
No problem.
Alexis L. Hindman, the magistrate. Your last name is Sanford?
Yes, sir.
Hold on 1 minute. Alexis, you have several cases. I have a MIDC attorney present. Let me jump on here. I'm going to put you in a breakout room. You're going to see a breakout room appear on your screen. You're going to click to enter it. When you're done talking with the attorney, you're going to click to leave it to come back here, okay?
Okay, no problem.
And Jeff, it's the same as all the rest.
Okay.
Off to breakout room 2. Click on it to enter it.
Your Honor, same thing with Ms.
Yep.
Sanford.
Yep.
Thank you. Thank you. Well, she said,
both kids Monday. Riley's got spring break. There's no school. So, this Thursday, I can't, she wanted me to watch Eve take her to school tomorrow. I can't. I got a doctor appointment. I can do it on Thursday. And then Monday, I can do it, but Wednesday, I can't. Next Wednesday. She wanted, that's the day she's leaving, she wanted me to watch the kids. But I can't, I'm going to do her swallowing test. It starts at 8 in the morning. Yeah, she's having a swallowing test.
Your call has been forwarded to an automated voice messaging system. 7025401 402 is not available. The mailbox is full and cannot accept any messages.
And they think that it's not emptying herself. And also, we're binding her up, so it's what we're like lumping in there, and that's why it's so painful. So they wanted her to have them swallow stuff, wanted me to go with her. So that's on Wednesday, Monday, that's been set up for a month now. So where I go for that. So, but that takes like 6 hours. So. Can't do it next Wednesday. I mean, I don't know if they don't have any cases. I know Chris has to work at 11. But if Dad doesn't care, I'll watch.
Hello? James? Al Hindman, the magistrate from the court. How are you?
I'm fine.
Today's the date and time set for your pretrial, and I didn't want to issue a bench warrant, so I'm calling you.
I totally forgot about
That's
that.
all right. Well, listen, the prosecutor reviewed your file and they're willing to make you the following offer. You ready?
Yes.
They're going to dismiss the original charge of driving while license suspended. They're going to add the 0-point civil infraction of double parking. You willing to accept that plea?
How much do I have to pay?
Hold on, because you got two other cases, two other cases, but let's knock out this driving while license suspended. You understand that if you accept this plea, you're giving up your right to a trial before a judge and before a jury, correct?
Yes.
You're entering into this plea freely and voluntarily, correct?
Yes.
All right. I've dismissed the original charge. I've added the 0-point offense of double parking in place of it. Your fines and costs on this case total $400.
Okay.
You can pay that in the next 5 days? Or do you need time to pay?
I need time to pay.
All right, hold on. All right, listen, pay close attention to your cell phone and answer it like you did today. The collections department's going to call and set up a payment plan, okay?
Okay.
Now, you got these two old civil infractions floating out there. I'm going to give you a big deal of the century. I'm going to waive the fines and costs, but you have to pay the FCJ. You have to pay the suspension fee.
Okay.
It's $45 on each case. You have a equipment violation that goes back to 2017. I'm going to waive the fines and costs. Defendant to pay $45 to the Secretary of State. We cannot waive that fee. You have an equipment violation from March 2nd, 2018. Again, I'm going to waive the $344. You only have to pay the $45.
Okay.
Is that a deal?
That's an awesome deal.
All right, $90 on these cases and $400 on the other one. Collections department's going to call you and set up a payment plan, okay?
Okay.
You're all set. You have a good day. Jeffrey, go ahead.
Your Honor, for the record, Jeffrey Bowditch appearing on behalf of and with Miss Sanford. Your Honor, today's the date and time set for arraignment in this matter. We'd waive formal reading, stand mute. We've also had a chance to pre-try this case, Your Honor. I have explained the offer to Miss Sanford. She wishes to take the mercy of the prosecutor. Also be mindful, Your Honor, at this time, Miss Sanford is being quarantined. She did test positive for the virus 3 days ago.
All right, Alexis,
Yes, sir.
at the time of the stop on the 1st of September or June in the city of Romulus, when you were pulled over, did you have a valid license?
No, sir.
I'm going to accept your plea. Your fines and costs total $400 on that case. You can pay that when?
I can pay it now. I'm not sure if you want me to go in and pay it or should I wait?
Listen, you
Because
can pay it in person at the court. You can pull up, there's a drop box. You can pay it that way. You can pay it online. You can pay it by US mail, or you can pay it in person, which I don't think you should do. But there's a drop box. You can slip up there anytime you want, or have somebody run it up and drop it in the drop box, reference the case number, okay?
Okay, it will have to be a money order.
That's fine. Yeah.
Okay, does that $400 include the fees for the Secretary of
We're
State?
going to get to that in a minute. This is just
Okay,
taking care of having a license suspended. On
Okay.
the other two cases, there's two $45 SOS fees that you brought up that I'm wish everybody knew about them like you did. They total $90. You can pay that also?
Yes, sir.
All right. I'll dismiss the, listen how much money, 430 on the speeding and 478 on the no proof of insurance. I'm waiving those fines. You just have to pay the $45 on each one.
Okay.
Made your day?
Yes.
All right.
I hope you feel better.
Pay those in the next 5 days in the court, okay?
Okay, can you tell me the total again?
490.
490. Okay.
All right.
Perfect.
And then your license should be good.
Yeah.
I actually have 2 more places that I got to take care of, but I saved all the money up and I'm going to take care of them ASAP. I'm 25. I need my license.
And things have gotten better already. Kiss them kids.
Thank you. I
After
appreciate
a
you
couple
guys.
All right. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Thanks, guys. Take care.
Yep.
The number you have reached has been disconnected or is no longer in service.
I'm allergic to this stuff. Keontae Jones. Al Hindman, the magistrate, 34th District Court. Today's the date and time set for a pretrial.
Oh, okay, hold on one second. Let me go in the living room. Okay.
All right, Mr. Jones, you didn't call us, so I'm calling you to save you a bench warrant. The prosecutor,
What happened?
I'm calling you to save you a bench warrant because you didn't call us.
For
A pretrial for driving while license suspended in the city of Romulus way back in 2016. You were sent a notice for today's hearing.
oh no, I never got no notice. Not in my address.
Well, is your address 9050?
No.
Well, you didn't keep it current with the court. Let's just cut to the chase. The prosecutor reviewed your file. He's willing to make you an offer to dismiss the original charge of driving while license suspended and to add the count of a no-point civil infraction and double parking.
Okay.
You accept that plea?
Okay, yes.
You understand that by accepting the double parking that you're giving up your right to a trial before a judge and before a jury, correct?
Yes.
You're entering into this plea freely and voluntarily, correct?
Yeah, it's like, so what do I have to pay?
We're getting there. We're getting there. Hold on. I'm dismissing the original charge. I'm adding the 0-point offense, a double parking civil infraction. Your fines and costs total $400. You can pay that in the next 5 days? Or do you need
the next 5 days?
you need time to pay?
Oh yes, I'm definitely gonna need time to pay.
How long do you need?
Well, for $400, I'm pretty sure I can have that like within 2 months.
All right, hold on. You see how I called you today?
Yes.
Answer your phone. Collections department's going to call you and set up a payment plan, okay?
Okay.
All right, you're all set.
Yeah.
Have a good day.
Thank you, sir, so much.
Yep. Hey, Mr. Jones, gone. All right. Yeah.
Stephanie's classes are in too.
Yeah.
She's gonna call me after Nick gets up.
I got the call.
All three of us are gonna go get our classes at one time.
Okay.
Please leave your message for 734-752-9351.
Marcus Key, Al Hindman, the magistrate. Today's the date and time set for a pretrial with the city of Romulus. You failed to appear. This was a courtesy call to save you a bench warrant. You can call in the next 10 minutes.
Forwarded to an automatic voice message system. 98997157000 is not available. At the tone, please record your message. When you have finished recording, you may hang up or press 1 for more options.
Kevin Marshall, Al Hindman, the magistrate, 34th District Court. You were set for a pretrial today. This was a courtesy call to save you a bench warrant. You can call back in the next 10 minutes. Have a good day. Can you do me a little favor, Laura? Paper fell. Paper fell. Fell over here. No, down here. Paper fell.
Oh, paper fell. I thought you said paper towel. I was thinking kiss.
Please leave your message for
Jeff?
Yes, sir.
We're way past the time, brother. We're all set.
All done?
Yep.
Thank